Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can get a refund for a missing package on Shein. So here in their website, you just have to find and click this customer service icon. And from here, you just have to scroll down and you will see this question, why is my item missing? Just click that. And from here, you were given choices. You just have to click missing items in package. So right now, live chat is available, so you should be able to reach an agent that could help you with your concern. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can get a refund on your missing items on Shein. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!